I don't believe it, another puncture. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the rapid rub made by Schwabel, which was supposedly a puncture protected tyre. Now, if I get a screw, it's just a normal screw, or better off, a pin like this. Now that's about the size of what I'm getting punctured with. The thistles that's lying on the paths of the canals, and if you push that through there, I've got my finger underneath. And it doesn't take long before I feel that. That's going straight through there, no problem. So, theirs are supposed to be puncture protected, but not very well protected. And that's not just my opinion, that's the opinion of that pin. So, what I've done now, I've paid a lot more money for these surfer drifter tyres. And they have what they call an inverted thread, which means that the thread or the grips are on top of the tyre, so you've got a lot more thickness there, plus there's supposed to be some guard as well. So we want to give this the pin test and put my finger underneath there. I'll go for the hard part first on the thick bit. I'll push the pin in. I'm not going too hard because my finger's underneath, don't forget. I've hit a barrier there and I can't get past. So that could be puncture proofing. And now let's try the thin bit there. I'm still having difficulty getting through there. So that passes the pin proof test. My pin proof test. Not in some laboratory. That's been done just in front of your very eyes. No tricks, no smoke and dagger. So anyway, the proof of the pudding, do the eating. I want to put these back onto the bike now and keep the swallows and throw them in the bin, and we'll test them around the track. Right, this is the invoice for the tyre. It's called a Surface Drifter Mountain Bike 26x2 Semi-Slick Commuter Tyre, wire bead, puncture proof. And it was supplied by TBC Online Limited, Snails Down on a bike? That doesn't fit well, does it? At Brown Spit, Gooseham, Bude, Cornwall. They supplied it. Looking good. So we'll try these on a road test now. We're on the road now in the smooth, noiseless almost. These are the paths that's going to test them out, because these are where I'm getting all my punctures from the thorns. The thorns are lying everywhere. The bush is dead but the thorn's still alive, a bit like a rattlesnake. It chops its head off, it can still bite. That's what thorns are. These are the beasts we're talking about. They lie in the path, waiting for the unsuspecting starters to come along. There's another one there. They're all over the place. And they bite. So beware. I must say that on a hard surface, they roll along pretty nicely. So I've gone from that to that. We've had a 6 mile ride and both the rider and the tyre have got home unscathed. And to be honest, that feels nice. You know, when things feel right, that does feel right. And it puts me in mind of the old TT100, the Dunlops that we used to have in the 70s. This doesn't feel wrong, but it doesn't feel as sturdy as that one. But anyway, let's see how it goes on. We've only done 6 miles, that's nothing really in a tyre's life. We'll keep coming back to this, I think. See you later.